In today's video, I'll be showing you how to cancel orders on Temu. Now, this is a very quick and simple thing to do, so make sure you watch this video all the way to the end so you don't miss any important steps. So in order to cancel orders off Temu, you first need to open up the Temu app and you just need to sign into your account. From there, if you look at the bottom of the screen, you'll be able to see 4 different options, and if we go to the third one along, you should be able to find this profile icon, which will take us to the You page. From here, we'll be able to see our profile at the top of the page. However, we want to go down to where it says Your Orders, which is right here. So now that you're on the Your Orders page, you'll be able to see at the top a few different options, including All Orders, Processing and Shipped. And in order to cancel our order on Temu, it must be in the processing category. As you can see, my item here is processing, and we have an option to either cancel item or add more items to the order. Now I have these 2 options because it hasn't been shipped out yet. So since they haven't packaged and shipped our items, that means that we can cancel our items without causing any inconvenience to Temu. However, if your order has already been shipped or delivered, that means that you will have to return it instead of cancelling your order. And if that is the case for you, you'll see a refund button instead of the cancel items button. So that's how you can cancel orders on Temu. I hope you found this video helpful, and thanks for watching.